What's up, adventurers? I'm really excited about today's review. Our friends over at WANDRD just launched a Kickstarter for their travel line. They make some of our go-to bags like our backpack and our sling, and I'm super excited to see what they're going to be bringing us for travel. Today I got my hands on one of the 4 items, the Tote backpack. Now I don't really carry a tote that often, but it is a nice option to carry a bag like a tote. Now let's talk about the size of this thing. They call it a pack flat bag because, well, it packs pretty flat. It actually came to me in an envelope in the mail as opposed to a box because of how small it packs. And it doesn't pack into itself or have its own carrying case, but it does really nicely, easily folds over. You can throw it in your suitcase. Again, it doesn't take up too much space. And let's look into the other features. First of all, this material is super interesting. It is a new material that they just developed, and it's soft and lightweight, but also holds form. So unlike cheap tote bags, this thing actually stands up on its own. Checking out the rest of the exterior, both sides have a water bottle holder. You got one on this side, you got one on this side. And I like this touch. There's a little loop on the top of each of those sides so that if you wanted for some extra security for that bottle, you can carabiner it in. On the back side, you have a luggage pass-through feature as well as 2 backpack straps. Now these aren't the thickest or cushiest backpack straps by any means, but it's comfortable. There's just a little bit of foam inside of it. And there's a built-in sternum strap that you can adjust, and it helps you lock in the backpack. Now the straps are actually connected to one of the handles. And so the handle, as you pull it through, it'll shorten the straps and get it out of the way. Or if you need it as a backpack strap, you pull the handles back out this way, and it's nice and comfortable. Tote portion right here, great handles. There's a little bit of foam on the tops as well. Let's take a look inside. At first glance, the inside looks like a normal tote bag. It's just kind of an open space. I don't know if you can really see that. I'm gonna move the light. All right, sorry for the lighting change, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys can clearly see into the bag. So there you go. There are a couple organization spots in here. On the side where that's closest to your back, there is a zippered pocket with a keyring hook. So that sits here, and it goes about this deep. So it's a sizable pocket. Gives you plenty of space for you to keep your phone, wallet, some things you want to keep organized on the side. Now on the front side of the bag, there's also an open pocket here that doesn't zipper. It's just kind of an open flat. And inside there's a little G-hook. Now this is the coolest feature of this tote. The inside lining flips out. So here's the regular size tote, here's the inside lining, brought all the way to the top, and it turns it into a roll top. So now whether I'm using it as a tote or I'm using it as a backpack, I can secure everything inside. It gives me a lot of extra space. If the weather's bad or anything like that, it protects everything inside. And like how I would mostly carry it, I'm gonna be wearing it like a backpack. So cool, I love how thoughtful this is. That inside lining does reach all the way to the bottom, so you don't have to worry about things getting stuck when it's on the inside like that. If you want to check out more details about the tote backpack or pick one up, I will link to the Kickstarter. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Happy adventuring.